Ascento Pro. Ascento Pro is a two-legged self-balancing hopping robot with wheels. Ascento Pro can be customized by adding cameras, arms, flat tops, etc. and can be used for surveillance, inspection, robotic research and urban deliveries. It features LED headlights to pass through the dark. It has a swappable battery that can work for 8 hours on one charge. The large wheels enable it to go past with a top speed of 12 km per hour and tumble over small obstacles. Motorized wheels and suspension in the knees allow it to walk through all surfaces, climb stairs, jump back and forth, and hop through obstacles. It can balance itself and remain standing even when poked from one side. Domino's driverless delivery bike. Domino's, in collaboration with Nuro, introduced an autonomous pizza delivery robot. The selected customers receive a text message regarding their order being delivered by an autonomous robot. This allows the customer to track their order via GPS. The customer receives a PIN, and once the PIN is entered into the robot's touch screen, the robot opens its storage compartment door upwards for the customer to collect their delicious hot Domino's pizza. Daxbot. Dax robots can deliver food items to smaller parts and can also interact with humans. They are optimized to complete their tasks up to a radius of 2.5 to 10 miles and have a maximum range of 8 km with a maximum speed of 6 km per hour. The safety of robots and goods is ensured by live video feed and GPS tracking. The weight of the Dax robot is around 50 kg and can hold a payload of 10 kg. The Dax robot is designed in a way to drive through 10 cm deep potholes and uneven terrains with stability. The inbuilt sensors ensure the avoidance of obstacles and fast delivery. Neuro's self-driving robot. Nuro is a third-generation autonomous delivery vehicle for goods or groceries or any goods. It is designed with an eye-catching feature that is an external front airbag to keep another vehicle safe during a collision. Neuro is an electric vehicle leading to zero emissions. It has plenty of space to carry a payload of 500 pounds. This payload can be easily collected through the inbuilt touchscreen. Neuro has a 52 kWh battery that gives it a maximum speed of 45 miles per hour. Multinational pizza restaurant chain Dominos makes use of Neuro to deliver the pizzas and complete their orders. The feature of HVAC helps to keep the pizza warm and fresh. Also, the radar, thermal cameras and leader, along with the inbuilt cleaning sensors that provide a 360 degrees view that allows it to detect any obstacles hindering the way and faster the delivery. Shuttlebot Last Mile Delivery Robot. Shuttlebot, in collaboration with Husky A200, introduced a last mile delivery robot. It can drive through all terrains with stability, using large lug trade tires at a maximum speed of 2.2 miles per hour. The battery has a maximum running time of 3 hours. Shuttlebot has a storage compartment in the center to hold the goods to be delivered and delivered to the desired customer. It consists of features like cameras, sensors and GPS tracking for smooth, stable and safe delivery of goods. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so very much for watching the video till the end. Comment below which autonomous delivery robot you like the most. Stay tuned for many such videos.